Standard 7th, Subject Social Science, Chapter number 5, India, Agriculture, Industry and Transportation. India is an agrarian country or agricultural country. 70% of people are associated with agriculture. Most of the crops are used as food and some of them are useful in industries and businesses. Different types of crops are grown in India. Agriculture has progressed by leaps and bounds after independence. In this chapter, we are going to learn about different types of crops grown in India and used in food and various industries. First, we will learn about Gujarat. Write the crops grown in Gujarat. As we have learned in previous semester that the landform of India is different in different regions. Therefore, the crops are also varied in different places. The crops which are grown in Gujarat are jowar, millet, groundnut, wheat and cotton. Other than this, many other crops are also grown in Gujarat. These are the prime crops of Gujarat. Next is write the industries of Gujarat. Which industries are taken place or working in Gujarat? As we all know that cotton is grown in more production in Gujarat. There is cotton textile, woolen textile, paper textile is also in India. Other than this, cement industry and sugar industries has developed rapidly in Gujarat. So these are the crops and industries which are grown in or developed in Gujarat. First we will learn about the agriculture in India. Which types of agriculture is done and which types of crops are grown in India. First is normal or unirrigated agriculture or natural agriculture. The agriculture which is dependent on rainfall or monsoon is known as natural or normal agricultural. Crops like jowar, millet, maize and groundnut, etc. are grown in less fertile soil where in monsoon season. First we will learn about sorghum. Let me show you the picture of sorghum. This is the picture of sorghum or millet. Millet are grown in arid region. Sorghum is grown in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. We have to remember the states of each and every crops grown in the specified area according to their need of the soil and water. Next is millet. Millet means bajra. Millet is grown in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Rajasthan is the largest producer of bajra in India because bajra needs less water and it can also grow in less fertile area. Therefore, it is grown more in Gujarat and Rajasthan. Maximum production of bajra is taken in Rajasthan. It is also grown in Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Haryana. India is the first in the world in the production of bajra or millet. This map shows the agriculture in India. We can see different types of signs drawn in this map. Different signs is given to different crops. First is sorghum, millet, corn, groundnut, wheat, sugarcane, cotton, jute, rice and tea. These are the crops mainly grown in India. We came to know which crop is grown in which state by the signs given in this map. For example, Sorghum. We can find out the sign of sorghum in various states of South India in downwards. Then groundnut. We can see groundnut in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, etc. In this way, we can see different and various types of crops in different states. Corn is used as grain and as fodder for animals. It is grown in Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Groundnut is mostly used as the oil seed in India. 50% of the edible oil in India is obtained from groundnut. Gujarat is the leading producer of groundnut in India. It is also grown in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Madhya Pradesh. So we can say that groundnut is a cash crop which gives more cash after its production. First we learn about natural farming in which these 4 crops are grown. Next is dry farming in which during the monsoon season water is collected in low areas and dry farming is practiced in such areas. Wheat grows well in such areas. When the land dries up afterwards, farming is done from the moisture within the land. Such farming is done in Bhal region of Gujarat. Wheat and grams grow here. The wheat grown in this region is famous as Bhalia wheat. Third farming process is irrigation farming, in which the farming which is done using the water of well, ponds, canals, etc. are called as irrigation farming. In India, irrigation farming is done in about 30% of the land. The crops grown in irrigation farming are sugarcane, cotton, jute, paddy, etc. Sugarcane is India is the leading producer of sugarcane in the world. Hot and humid climate is favorable for sugarcane. It is grown in Punjab, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Haryana and Tamil Nadu. Sugar is made from sugar cane. Therefore, sugar industries are well developed in these states. Second crop is cotton crop. Cotton crop takes 6 to 8 months to get ready. The sky should be clear when it is harvested. It is mainly grown in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana and Punjab. Punjab is the leading producer of wheat. It is called the wheat bowl of India. Besides Punjab, it is grown in Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Oil is extracted from oil seeds. It is called as cottonseed oil. Cottonseed oil is also used in many ways. Our next crop is jute. Jute takes 8 to 10 months for a crop to be ready. The jute plant has to be decayed in water to separate the fiber. We can get fiber from jute crop which is used in different ways. River Hooghly of West Bengal is very suitable for this, and so West Bengal is the largest producer of jute. It is also grown in Bihar, Assam and Odisha. Then the strings and the strands are washed in clear and running water. Then they are hung up on spread on the thatched roof to dry, and thus we get the jute fiber. The last crop of irrigation farming is paddy. Paddy means rice. Rice is the most staple food for the people in India. Paddy is an important crop hot and humid climate and heavy rainfall or irrigation are suitable to paddy. So it is grown more in West Bengal, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Chhattisgarh and Punjab. The next farming is plantation agriculture. What does mean by plantation? Certain crops are grown in garden method where we have to take care as of garden every day. We have to take care of these crops every day. It includes tea, coffee, fruit orchards, vegetables and coconut palms. The plantation of tea is grown on the slopes of mountains where the forests are cleared. Water should not be stayed near the roots of tea plants, otherwise it will be harmful for it. That is why tea is grown in the mountain slopes. Assam produces maximum tea. Besides Assam, tea is produced in West Bengal, Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. India is the leading producer of tea in the world. How the coffee plant is discovered? Kaldi daily took his goats for grazing. He was fed up with the frolicking of goats. One day he ate the fruit of plant which his goats were eating, and he also felt fresh. Thus he introduced coffee to the world. Coffee is produced in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala in India. Monsoon in India is irregular and uncertain. Therefore, irrigation facility is provided for the farming. The areas which have scanty rainfall or short rainfall, due to uncertain rainfall, more than one crop is rarely grown on entire portion of land. Therefore, irrigation facility is given by the government through various methods. The length of Indira Canal is 9,425 kilometers. It is the longest canal project of the world. This irrigation method is used for the farming. It is because of this canal that the barren land of Rajasthan has become fertile for farming. In this way, various crops are grown in India and through various facilities. In next part, we will learn about the industries of India. Till then, you have to write the questions related to agriculture of India in your workbook and in your map book. Thank you.